Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I filmed an unboxing, but I have a very exciting one today. It is Pompompurin themed, and it's a little late, but I kind of wanted to do it for Pompompurin's birthday, but the items didn't come out yet. And then I had like other stuff in my order that I wanted to include in the unboxing. But don't worry, I did go out for Pompompurin's birthday. We went to High Collar and had some yummy pancakes. I took my Pompompurin easel doll with me. He looks so adorable. We took some pictures and it was a really fun day. Okay, so let's get into Pompompurin's birthday unboxing in May. His birthday is April 16th, so yeah, this video is pretty late. Okay. So there is one non-Pompompurin thing in here, so I'm just going to get it out the way. And it is this Pochaco costume. You can put like the Sanrio characters in it if the doll like fits. But I actually got a Pompompurin one too. And you can also put like dolls in it. So let me get the dolls that I had like planned to put in them. So you might remember them from a past video of my Boys Love meetup. This is Gokudera and Shoji from my demon boss Gokudera. Wants to be exposed. So yeah, I love them, and I think these costumes would look so perfect. I mean, I don't think either of them quite fit Pompompurin, but I could not get a Pompompurin costume. So we're gonna make it work. And they're both dogs, right? It matches. I've recently started becoming a Pochaco fan, but only if he's like brown and mint. So I've noticed that they've been doing that a little bit. I don't like his regular red t-shirt look, but when he's like in mint, I think he's so cute. So I'm gonna put Gokudera in this one. So cute. He looks so angry. He is a very angry character. Look at him. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That is so cute. And then you can wear it like a strap. So that's gonna be adorable. I can't wait to wear these outside. Let's open up the Pompompurin one. Oh. Oh, I'm just looking at all of this Pompompurin stuff. I cannot wait to dig in it. And the material is so soft too. Oh. Alright, Shoji. You know, I think the colors do work well. I mean, for the characters. Unless the costumes are just that cute. Oh. You're so adorable. Oh my god. Look at them. I am like, I can't believe that. That's so cute. Oh. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's like a little pocket here. I don't know what I would put in it. Oh, I'm in love with these. I would wear them with this. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay. I can't gush over them for like the entire video. I want to. Oh, my babies. Okay, so let's go into the other stuff now. Okay, so I got some blind boxes. I got 3. I should have got more, but so they're like the little friends. And I don't know who the bunny, the frog, or whatever this thing is. I don't know their names. But I'm hoping to get macaroon, scone, bagel is my favorite, or muffin. So yeah, I'm hoping to get those. I don't really need another Pompompurin because that's literally all that's in here. But I would like more of his friends. I wouldn't be sad if I got these guys because I do technically already have like some of the other ones. I don't have a scone in my collection. I don't have scone anywhere. I usually have muffin or bagel. So I'm hoping for a scone. If I get the frog, I won't be upset. Because I would like to like have them all like lined up somewhere on my cord, and I think that would look really cute. So we got 3. So let's hope we get someone good. Alright. I think I got 3. I think there's 3 in there. Okay, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, we got macaroon! This is my first macaroon anything! Oh, she's so cute! Okay. Okay. That was a good first one. Let's hope we don't get doubles. I didn't even think of that. Oh, give me scone, give me scone, give me scone. Oh no! We got another macaroon! I'm sure someone would want her. We have one more. I hope it's not a triple. And now I'm hoping it's not the frog. Oh my god. 3 macaroons? What? What? Okay, I might actually keep 2. But what? 3 of them? Okay, that was horrible. I'm gonna have to go on Mercari and pick out the ones I want now. Oh man. But I didn't have anything macaroon, and now we have 3. Oh my god. They are really adorable though. But I think I will keep like 2 and just kind of like, right? Yeah, so here's a little butt. I think I might do that. So it wasn't a total loss. But this one gotta go. Okay, so I know what the rest of the stuff is, so let's get into that. My blind box luck. So I have these little clips. Oh, it's got one of Pompompurin's face and one of his butt. So adorable. I've been wanting like Pompompurin like hair clips for the longest. I do have like some. Maybe on this side. So cute. I have like one, but I like the butt next to him. It's so hard to look at it when I'm looking at like a mirrored version of myself. Okay, I don't know where to put this one. Maybe like under it? Oh, because now it looks like he's doing the thing. You know that thing he does where he's like, he's showing you his butt? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep it like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what he's doing. Yeah, it was on the box from earlier. It's adorable. Okay, next I got this little like carrying case thing to put my little friends. But yeah. I mean, I have other stuff I could put in here. Put a macaron in here. Macaroon. She's kind of long. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I guess you can only fit like 2 in here. Which isn't bad. I mean, you might be hanging on your bag. And it's cute. So I can't believe I got like 3 of those things. I am not going to get over that. What are the odds? I mean, they're my odds, so. Okay, what else is in here? Okay. So, I had a Pompompurin plush bag, but I think it was like a replica. I don't think it was like the actual thing. I got it off eBay like years ago, and it held up pretty well. But then one day I look at it and like all the leather on his hat like peeled. I was very sad. Like, that was my favorite Pompompurin bag. But so not too long after this was announced, and I was able to get it. And instead of it being just his face, it's like his whole body. I'm gonna hold it in like this. But is another bag. Let's open him up. It's so soft. Oh. I think the only thing I didn't like about it was the strap, but I think that's okay. And it has like this one. And you can take this one off, which I'm probably gonna do because I don't really like short straps. Then of course you can adjust it. It's so adorable. Let's see what it looks like inside. But inside, there's like room for like your wallet. Maybe like some makeup or something. Like, it's not like a bag. Like, you'll have to have like a regular bag too. But this is cute. Like my little crossbodies. Aww. Welcome to the family. He's so cute. Aww. Yeah, I really like this. Make it a little bigger. I like when they come like down further enough. I know he looks like he's on my lap. Oh, it's so adorable. I love him. So yeah, he's definitely a good replacement for my old bag. I do hope I find it again one day, but I don't have to. But this one, it puts a smile on my face. Aww. Okay, we have one more item in here. And that's the plushie! really debated if I wanted the bag or the plushie. And then I ended up getting both. The reason was because they kind of look similar. But I'm not going to be taking this outside, you know? So I almost just went for the bag because practical. But I also wanted to, how could you resist? And then it does a thing. It does a thing. That's so adorable. Yeah, so I ended up getting him. And that is the Pompompurin birthday haul. We got a bunch of macaroons. We got a lot of Pompompurin things. We got some cute costumes. Oh my god. I think that's probably my favorite thing out of this whole haul. Was the costumes. Oh my god. Look at them. They're gonna look so cute together. Yeah. Okay guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next one. It's gonna be Pokemon themed. I'm so excited. I do have one more figure coming in the mail, so it won't be like super right after this one, but yeah, I'm really excited because, you know, I love Pokemon. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!